Hey, what's up, family? It's your boy Troy T, aka Dirty Rights, the editor. And I know our podcast and talk about a lot of things, but one thing y'all really don't hear me talk about is the future of our children. So I just want to let you know, and give you some ideas of what can stimulate your children since most of them are leaving school, graduating out for the summer. And what I want to do is give them something to explore in technology. As a Black American, we there needs to be a lot more of us in the tech space, especially learning how to code, so that other people or from other countries that come get opportunities over to America don't jump first in line in coding and development over our children and our future in the technology space. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about Microsoft MakeCode.microbit.org. That's what I'm talking about. It's free to sign up, and your children can explore all of these great things and making code. You can get instructions, and also I'm thinking about starting a workshop to show kids about technology, computing, and get them an idea of how they can get involved and they can be in the code space, learn how coding works, learn how applications work, be able to learn blocks, Python, JavaScript, and play these video lessons, which will help your kids. And I promise you, it will help them with their intellectual stemming. It's so many of us going in an entertainment space. Nothing wrong with that. But we also need to get back to STEM so we can have our next generation of inventors, our next generation of coders, our next generation of STEM and great minds, architects, engineers, and people that will be one day can change our community. So if you guys want to get in touch with me, you can reach me at powerplayersmag@gmail.com. But have your kid or your child create a Microsoft email. If you have a problem, you can email me and I'll help you get started. But it's time for our children and our adults to get into the space that a lot of people don't want us to get into. And that's the space of technology, robotics, AI, coding, and creating applications. So go to Microsoft or go to MakeCode, that's MakeCode.microbit.org. That's MakeCode.microbit.org. I'll put the link in the description. Your children can get started today with a free account, and they'll be able to do something with their future. They'll be able to learn coding language and understand how these phones work that they use every day, and also understand how technology works and become technologists. We need more of that in the Black American FBA community. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. And if you need help getting them started, if you need help with someone showing it, I could do some workshops. But I'm for getting us in a space where we'll be able to go and grow together. That's Troy T, the PowerPlayersMagazine.com. You'll see that on the page. You'll see the link. Go to our YouTube and get your kids started on coding. My son's out of school right now. I got him learning to type on typing page, which is a free typing page in Google, and being able to key up, and he's doing good every day. That will give him great access to jobs and career skills. But he's learning how to code video games. He's learning how to code, and he's learning Python. He's learning Java, and I just ask him to do it a couple hours a day. A lot of this stuff is fun. It gets them intellectually going. So that's what's important about this. I hope you get in contact. Let me know. Get your kids on the right path. Everybody can dribble a ball and throw a ball. Some of us have to be able to do the work that'll take us into the future and make us competitive. I'm out. Peace.